Hey AI enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to AI Daily News 100. Let's dive into the latest AI developments. Alright, so OpenAI just hit us with GPT-4.5, and this is a big one. We all saw what GPT-4 could do, and this new iteration, it's like they took everything we knew and cranked it up. We're talking next-level conversational abilities with AI that can hold conversations that feel way more natural, almost human-like. OpenAI decided to focus on improving the emotional intelligence of the model, making it less robotic and more relatable. And they've definitely made strides in reducing those hallucinations where AI just straight up makes stuff up. It's not perfect, but it's progress. One thing that's still missing is multimodality. GPT 4.5 still can't process images, audio, or video, which would be a game changer. And then there's the price. This thing is a premium service, and that's causing some debate in the AI world. But where GPT 4.5 really shines is in specialized tasks, especially coding. It's crushing benchmarks and proving that it's not just about hype, this thing can deliver. Think about it. Having an AI that not only understands what you're saying but also you're saying it, picking up on nuances and emotions. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like and subscribe to AI Daily News 100 for more exciting AI news. Meta is jumping into the AI arena with both feet, and they're not holding back. They just announced a brand new standalone AI app that's going head-to-head with ChatGPT and all the others. This is a huge statement, basically saying that Meta's ready to compete in the AI space in a big way. But it's not just about this one app. Meta's playing the long game here. They're looking at how to integrate AI into everything they do, from their core platforms to new products and services. They want to build an entire ecosystem around AI, and that could change everything. With all the competition in the AI space right now, Meta knows they can't afford to sit on the sidelines. Tencent, the Chinese tech giant, just dropped a bombshell with their new AI model Hunyuan Turbo S, and this thing is built for speed. While other AI models are all about deep thinking and complex processing, Hunyuan Turbo S is optimized for lightning-fast response times. This is huge for industries where every millisecond counts, like gaming, finance, and healthcare. Imagine AI that can make split-second decisions based on real-time data. That's the potential here. Tencent is positioning Hunyuan Turbo S as a direct competitor to those slower, more deliberate AI models. It's like they're saying, hey, in the real world, speed matters just as much as accuracy. This also highlights the growing rivalry between China and the West when it comes to AI. Hunyuan Turbo S is a game changer that could reshape how we think about AI and its applications. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like and subscribe to AI Daily News 100 for more exciting AI news and breakthroughs. Amazon's stepping into the quantum computing ring with their new Ocelot chip. And this thing is a beast. Ocelot uses a new type of qubit called a cat qubit, and it has the potential to revolutionize how we solve complex problems. One of the biggest hurdles with quantum computing has always been error correction, but Ocelot is designed to drastically reduce those errors. What does that mean in plain English? It means we're getting closer to building practical, fault-tolerant quantum computers. Think about the possibilities for AI. Imagine AI models that are exponentially faster, capable of processing massive datasets, and finding solutions to challenges in fields like medicine, climate change, and cryptography. This is about more than just faster computers. It's about unlocking the full potential of AI. It's a glimpse into a future where the impossible becomes possible. So there you have it. From GPT 4.5's conversational upgrades to Meta's bold AI app and Tencent's focus on speed, to Amazon's quantum leap, AI is evolving faster than ever. Which development excites you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to AI Daily News 100 for more AI insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.